Today we're looking at a brand new screwdriver and an electric screwdriver from KAIWEETS, the ES20. Oh, man, it's got to be a better way. Oh, and there is. The KAIWEETS ES20. Man, this thing rocks. Yeah, baby. KAIWEETS ships this electric screwdriver in a pretty cool little pouch. Now, my only complaint with this pouch is the fact that it's not zippered. So perhaps if you're carrying it one too many places, you might have an issue with your bits slipping out of the case. Let's hope not, but I would have preferred to see a completely zippered enclosure. There is a ton of bits, 120 to be exact. These things rock. They're made from nickel/silver composite, and you know, they look to be pretty good quality. And I'm telling you, these bits are pretty well covering all of your electronics needs. Now let's get one thing straight. This is an electronics precision screwdriver, not for putting up a fence, a birdhouse, what have you. No, this is strictly for electronics. Keep that in your mind and you should be good to go. I love how KAIWEETS has covered the bits with this nice padding here, giving you that extra sense of protection when you're transferring from one place to another. And man, they're so nicely laid out here. Look at the T1s all the way to the T6H. This thing is just fantastical. Anything you want, Mac-based, metric, imperial, it is all here. And let me tell you, they are thinking out of the box. Look at this. We're getting a whole set, a whole accoutrement of extras. Spudgers, suction cups, tweezers, flexible swan neck, a pry tool. It's awesome what they've done here. This is a magnetic and demagnetizer, so you can get those bits magnetized if you need to. I memean, wow, all here, one package, loving it. Even giving you an adapter here. So for those hard to reach places, bada boom, bada bing. I mean, you get a lot of extras in this kit. It is not strictly a screwdriver and some bits. No, it is the whole gambit of what you're gonna need for any electronic job. KAIWEETS even give you a mobile phone repair tool, mat. I mean, love it. Size-wise, the KAIWEETS is just a tad longer than the WOW stick seen here, but I'm talking minimal here, like basically half an inch. Dr. Frankenstein would be impressed, but do not lose your test tube that the KAIWEETS ships in. Simply because if you're transporting it somewhere, you don't want to accidentally enable those touch buttons and kill that battery. Cool. Charging is done via USB-C cable shown here. Now, unfortunately, KAIWEETS was a little not so generous in terms of the length of that cable. I don't think that's even a foot. Come on, KAIWEETS. Gotta say though, fit and finish wise, it is top notch. This is going for about $40 US on Amazon.com. I don't see it yet on Amazon.ca, so Canadians will have to wait a little while. Unless you want to buy it from Amazon.com, then you gotta, pay for shipping. Very simple screwdriver to operate. We have our reverse and forward. And the nice thing is we have a torque adjust as well right here. Now that also enables LEDs. And it's not a whole lot of light, but definitely sufficient enough for the job you're working on. You can disable that LED as well just by hitting that button once. Beauty. And when you're constantly removing screws throughout the day, like I am, it can get a little bit frustrating. But when you have a nice handy dandy ES20 on your side, man, it makes things a lot easier. Every now and then we need to magnetize something just so we can pick it up. It just makes life a little bit easier. Like right now, I just can't. Trick to that, simply use the little magnetized tool that it ships with. Put that bit over, just like so. Does not take long. And then bada boom, bada bing, you are instantly magnetized. Get off there, you little bugger. Now, to demagnetize, just do the opposite of the block, and voila, we lost it. We lost it. Cool. When you're charging, you have a nice charging red LED just to let you know it's charging. Torque feature works really well. Just press that button once. Tells you it's in torque mode. Press it again. Now we are in solid torque. What does that mean? Just gives us a little bit more oomph when we're unscrewing and screwing. Takes up a bit more battery, but definitely have a little bit more power. 200 RPM is what they're saying for this electric screwdriver. And as well, I believe we have something along the lines of 350 milliamp hours of battery life. So, yeah, not too shabby. Closing thoughts on the KAIWEETS ES20. Oh, go grab one while you can. Yeah, it's not available on Amazon.ca yet, but for our American and global friends, Amazon.com is carrying it now for a low price of $40 US. Not bad, not bad at all, considering what you're getting here, which is a ton of bits for every electronics job out there. Just remember, this is not a tool for anything other than precision electronics. As long as you're okay with that, you should be good to go. I don't have anything really bad to say about this screwdriver. It's built well, it's solid, battery life seems to be really good, and generally the overall attention to quality and detail is top KAIWEETS notch. All the gripe is that cable is just a little bit too short, dang it. And the LEDs, well, I just wish they were a little bit brighter. But hey, at the end of the day, for $40 US, this is a super deal. KAIWEETS ES20 electric screwdriver gets a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching this review, everybody. Till the next one, keep on testing.